Actually, like, again, I'm so blessed to be in a generation wherein mental health is talked about na. I think that's one of the things na before kasi when you say, especially as an athlete, diba, there are some people.
They are harder on the athletes.
Yes, sorry. Pero may mga
Oo.
ibang coaches na, not even coaches, like may ibang mga tao na nagsasabi na, oh, kunyari, you're having a bad day. Ano ba kasi yung distraction mo? Like, dapat naaano mo yan, diba? Or like,
Very black
hindi,
and white.
diba?
Yeah.
Exactly. Na parang hindi, kailangan paglaro-laro. Which is also true. But at the same time, it's a lot harder for, especially when you're dealing with it on a daily. And then you have to wake up the very next day and to really be on, like, spot on, focus. Although that is our job, sometimes you need a little help. So, yun nga, parang for me, I'm a very outgoing person. I'm very loud. I'm very madaldal. So, sobrang obvious pag medyo I'm going through it. Kasi I'm the complete opposite. I'm quiet or like, I just like shut down. So, sometimes like my teammates, easily recognizable when I'm kinda, not 100% today. Which is okay. I feel like people forget na even if it's a job, like for us, volleyball is our work. But it's also okay to have days wherein your 100% isn't 100. But that's all that you can give. And for me, how I deal with it is I make sure na, well, first of all, I make sure na acknowledge ko siya. I always am the type to be like, what I feel and how I feel. Parang nire-recognize ko siya. Ayoko yung tapang-tapangan masyado. Kasi before, syempre,
Toxic
ako, dalawa pa
positivity.
kuya ko eh. So parang medyo kailangan, built different, diba? Yung parang strong, independent woman. Pero nagiging siya eh. Kumbaga, nagiging mask lang siya. Hindi ko siya nadi-deal with talaga. So, it will just eventually like happen again and again. Not until na parang I learned how to sit with my own thoughts. If I'm not comfortable in a situation, I make sure na I speak about it or like, hindi naman kailangan laging paggalit ka or like you say it in a way na medyo nagtataas yung boses. You can easily talk to that person and be like, hey, medyo I'm not comfortable with what you did or how you did it. Like, even sa team, we're always, like kami, we're 21 players. And those 21, diba? 21 girls coming from different backgrounds, different families, different environments. Obviously, you're not always gonna get along. And especially, alam mo yung time of the month, guys.
Kulang na kayo magkukulan ng bola.
Lahat.
Ay, sabay-sabay kayo din kasi magkasama
Diba?
kayo,
Exactly.
no?
And let's say, yun nga, mga times na you're not winning games, high emotions eh. So that's when the challenge also starts. Kasi, yun nga, you have to really learn how to, manage it. Kasi hindi pwedeng lahat nag-a-adjust sa akin. Hindi rin naman lahat mag-a-adjust sa other person. Iba-iba yung background natin. Iba-iba yung way ng pag-deal with problems. And you can't take that against them. Kasi hindi mo naman alam kung ano yung pinagdadaanan ng tao. So it's all about like respect. But what I focus on is what I can control, which is myself. So I try to avoid going to training na parang bugnutin ako.
May dala-dala.
Diba? Yung may dala
Conscious
ako.
effort
Diba?
niya.
Conscious
Okay.
effort ako. Kasi, if I have a bad day yesterday, alam ko na I'm still not feeling it today. What can I do to make myself happy? It could be like a little treat. Honestly, sometimes, nag-cheat day ako sa diet ko. Yung parang, sige, you know what?
I'll give it to myself.
Deserve ko mag-chocolate sundae. Diba?
Yeah.
Na ice cream. Na parang, I know na, kahit maliit lang yun na bagay, it's my happiness. So, I'll get it. At the same time, I love going to the gym. That's kind of my safe space. So, even after training, kahit pagod na ako, I go to the gym. Yeah, I go to the gym. Diba? Parang just to like sweat it out. I feel like, that's me personally. I feel like pag nasa-sweat out ko yung negative vibes, negative
nalalabas
energy.
niya doon.
Parang kaya favorite kong sauna. Kasi feeling ko when you sweat it out, like, okay, like, I'm fresh na.
Okay,
ganyan.
bye stress.
So, but
Labas.
but it's different for others. So, I feel like figuring it out is also like a way of like helping. I love going on dates with myself, yung mga restaurants that I want to try. Yeah, I love doing that. Even when I was in college, parang my mom always would ask me, paano mo nagagawa? Kasi she's also very outgoing. Pero yun lang siguro yung one of the things na she's shy to do. Sabi niya,
Kapag
she's,
mag-isa.
is to eat out
To eat
by
alone.
herself. Yeah.
Okay.
So, I always tell her, Mom, it's so fine. Like, you don't have to care kasi nahiya siya. What if may makakita daw sa kanya na
Sana
friend
okay
niya,
ka lang,
diba? Na
te.
friend niya na parang, oh, ba't ka mag-isa? Yung parang gano'n. I'm like, no. Like,
Na-pressure
you
si
do
mami.
it, yeah. You do it
Oo.
because you want the food, you wanna try it. Yun lang. Like, wala ka nang care if whoever sees you, diba? So, I feel like slowly she's trying to do it now. So, yeah, yung mga ganong little things kasi eventually, nare-restart din yung, kumbaga, not even restart. It just helps you, kumbaga, take a little breather. Sometimes all we need is like 10 to 15 minutes of like time just to like sit with our emotions and just to really think now, I'm in the situation, but I know na I'm not gonna be in the situation forever.
Right.
So it just needs to be like a little bit of
Nakikinig siya kay self.
I know, I like that she's
Listen to
parang
yourself.
ina-adjust mo yung knobs of your
Yes.
life.
Yes, yung parang you have to really know and you know, like parang you have to take accountability rin na no matter what situation that is, you know, you have a role in that kung bakit ka nandyan. So it's either you pick yourself up from it or you stay there. There's always a choice.
Kasi sobrang high stakes naman din talaga the work that you do. There's so much high pressure in showing up and having to do, like, to show up as your 100%. But it's good that you mentioned that not all the time yung 100%.
Yeah.
And then medyo nag-a-adjust ka in other ways just so that you could show up and just be the best that you
Yes.
can
On that day.
for that day,
Yeah,
for
for
that
sure.
moment of your life. Hi!
Ang dami nating chika. Pero para mas masaya, para mas marami pa tayong chika, magpapaka-boy abunda kami,
Oh
Miss
my God.
Danny.
Eto na.
Let's go.
Yes, magkakaroon tayo ng mga rapid fire.
Let's do
Tatanungin ka
it.
namin
Yung
kung
first question
happiness or chocolate.
Example lang yan.
Baka ma-edit out pag sinabi ko.
Hindi, okay. Sagutin ko yan.
So ngayon, magtatanong kami and ang sasabihin mo lang is, worth it or hindi na worth it?
Okay, na worth it na siya.
Worth it or hindi na worth it.
Yes. So mabilisan lang, walang overthinking.
Okay.
So explanation
Yes,
muna.
mamaya na ang explanation if may gusto kang explain. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, Danny! Worth it bang magdoble kayod para mas gumaling kahit hindi naman lahat nakakakita ng effort mo?
Worth it.
Worth it ba?
Worth it.
I love it. Worth it ba i-distance ang sarili mo sa opinions ng ibang tao?
Worth it times 10.
Worth it bang mag-focus sa self-growth kaysa sa pag-please sa lahat?
Worth it times 20.
Oh my God! Ano marami? Worth it ba mag-invest sa discipline kahit boring at paulit-ulit?
Worth it na worth it.
Worth it bang hayaan ng mga tao na ma-misunderstand ka habang inaayos mo ang sarili mo?
Worth it. Yeah.
6. Next, worth it bang piliin ang peace of mind over constant validation?
Worth it.
Ayan.
Yes.
Worth it bang magpahinga kahit pakiramdam mo kailangan mo laging may patunayan?
Worth it.
Yeah.
Worth it bang bumuo ng sariling identity outside of your surname or your background?
Worth it.
Worth it bang tanggapin na hindi mo mako-convince ang lahat?
Oy!
Worth it.
Worth it bang gawing motivation and support ang support ng mga taong naniniwala sa'yo from day
Worth
one?
it. Worth it.
And worth it bang mag-invest sa sarili mo kahit hindi agad visible ang results?
Worth it na worth it.
And the $1 million question is...
Yes, after all the work, all the pressure, all the nights and days
Lahat na.
hours, my God, and all the growing, the question is, worth it ba to invest in yourself and all of this?
Worth it.
Hey!
Let's go.
Another guest na perfect score
Yes.
sa ating rapid fire.
Yes.
Ano yung mga hindi
Worth
worth it?
Oo, ang gandang tanong yan. Ano ang hindi worth
Like
it?
after everything you've been through, syempre, you wouldn't change anything because of where you're at now.
Parang kailangan ng water.
But looking
Na-pressure
back,
siya dun sa question natin.
what
Ano
were
kaya
things
to?
that maybe would have made your life easier if like
Ooh.
binitawan mo na yun? Because you're like, no, hindi to worth it.
Siguro for me.
Kinilangan niya
Hindi,
uminom ng
kasi,
tubig, ano yun?
Syempre ako, like, growing up, like what I said, I was trying to like avoid, my family, whatever. So I would always seek validation from another person na, alam mo yun, yung parang feeling ko, dapat may mundo kami na kami lang. So, in a sense, like, yung mga love life ko from the past, it's always just like, parang wrong intentions ako. It's always to keep me away from my family in a sense na gusto ko kami lang. Gusto
May
ko,
sariling
gusto ko may
something.
sarili kaming mundo. Gusto ko yung partner na kami lang talaga, when we hang out, kami lang, when, yung parang mag-give ng advice yung parents ko, or like, hindi naman siya like bad influence. It's not that. It's more of like, mas nasa
Parang
side niya
makahinga
ako.
ka lang.
Yeah, mas nasa side niya ako. It's always, ganun yung hanap ko in a partner. So, always says like, kumbaga, hindi ako kinokontra.
If this episode made you reflect on your own life decisions, then maybe it's time to ask yourself the same question. Yung mga choices mo, career moves, love life, big risks, or even those random impulsive decisions, worth it ba talaga? If you enjoyed this conversation, make sure to follow Worth It Ba for more real stories, honest reflections, and barkada-level real talk about life decisions. And if you have your own Worth It Ba moment, share it with us in the comments. Because at the end of the day, lahat tayo may decisions na pinagdaanan, and every choice comes with a story. Follow Worth It Ba for more episodes.